Hi, I'm Rajen. I'm the CEO for Holista Collltech. We are proud to be the marketing partner for EntoGenex in bringing to the world a technology of mosquito control that involves using a very old wine called BTI with a very new bottle called TMOF, which is a mosquito protein that inhibits digestion. We find that when you combine these two, you are able to get a product that has a significant deterrent on killing of the mosquito larvae, while at the same time preventing resistance, reducing the dose of the BTI, reducing the frequency of application from weekly to monthly, and bring an overall cost reduction. We've done some trials that have got published now, and we've done some work with the Ministry of Health in Malaysia. The results are very positive, and we think that we are now ready to go to the world with this technology, with EntoGenex. Integrated mosquito management, or integrated vector management, or integrated vector control, as it's in its different manifestations, is basically realizing that mosquito control is a very holistic problem, and a very holistic solution is necessary. It does involve many elements of it. The mosquito's got a life cycle. You can hit it at many points of life cycle, as a larvae, as a pupae, and eventually as a mosquito flying around. And it does involve shared responsibility. I think people tend to have this notion that, well, dengue is a problem of the government or the Ministry of Health, and if I get infected, it's their problem. When you understand that about 60% of all infections happen in the home, then you realize that we must take a very personal approach to this. And also, most of the time when the Ministry of Health is out there spraying the chemicals for that, people shut the doors and stay indoors. That doesn't help them actually in terms of removing mosquitoes in the house. You need to be able to go in there and look at where water may be contained, where larvae may grow. You need to look at areas in the house where water may be stagnant. You need to look areas out of the house in your compound. And we need to look at other elements like using traps for adult mosquitoes, using window blinds that prevent mosquitoes from entering and leaving the house, and looking at making it more and more difficult for the mosquito to manifest itself in and around where you stay. So again, this is a government responsibility obviously, but there's a corporate element of it, there's also a personal element of it in terms of an integrated approach towards mosquito control. I think corporates can help in terms of funding, clearly. They can also help in terms of mobilizing the people on the ground. The big corporates can do a lot. The corporates that are significant in this country can also be involved in campaigns to alert the public, and also in making available certain elements like the adult mosquito traps, like even mosticide, to members of the public, and they can avail them such that members of the public get this at a very reduced cost, or maybe even free. And in so doing, you bring down the incidence of dengue and mosquitoes. And the big corporates, when they do that, not only are they helping the country, but they're also helping their staff, because sometimes their staff are the ones who actually get dengue and get killed as well in the process. What's phenomenal about TMOF particularly is it's so mosquito specific that it does not affect any other organism. It's not going to affect your rats or your cats or your dogs or your toddlers. You can practically eat the stuff without any difficulty. It's a protein. In fact, we did some trials with the Malaysian Palm Oil Board, and conclusion is it's as safe as rain. And I have no safety concerns whatever on TMOF or BTI. Yes, by kids, by whoever. Yeah. And if it does leak in your water supply, there's no issue at all. I think ultimately you need to cut the source. If you want to stem something, hit it at the source. That's the best way to do it. So the source here would be the larvae, because also in that part of the life cycle is when they are most vulnerable. They are weak, they're stuck in water, they have no defense mechanism, so it makes a lot of sense to attack them there than to wait for them to become adult and then go after them, because they're basically an adult mosquito is a flying syringe.
Yes.
It's a flying needle, and you could be the next dengue target.